Hello everyone, welcome to Unacademy Ascend, the dedicated channel for general aptitude, general science as well as engineering mathematics. I welcome you all to another daily practice problem session, which is the second part of our profit and loss quantitative aptitude section. Okay, so we are having this daily practice problems every day. So today I am bringing up another topic, that is another part of our topic in general aptitude, which is the profit and loss. So without wasting much of the time, we shall move on to the first question. So the first question is as follows. A stockist का मतलब है is basically a dealer. Okay, a stockist wants to make some profit by selling rice. He contemplates about various methods. Which one of the following would maximize his profit? Okay, एक डीलर सोच रहा है कि वो राइस राइट बाय सेलिंग राइस ही शैल मेक सम प्रॉफिट. ओके, ही हैज वेरियस मेथड्स, उसके पास वेरियस मेथड्स है. तो हमें ये फाइंड आउट करना है कि इन चार मेथड से किस मेथड से उसका प्रॉफिट जो है वो मैक्सिमाइज होगा, मतलब मैक्सिमम प्रॉफिट मिलेगा. राइट, सो द फर्स्ट मेथड इज सेलिंग राइस एट 25% प्रॉफिट. Second method is using 750 gram of weight instead of 1 kg. 1 kg की जगह वो 750 ग्राम ऑफ वेट रखेगा ताकि वो 250 ग्राम का प्रॉफिट मिल जाएगा उसे. राइट. थर्ड थिंग इज मिक्सिंग 15% impurities in rice and selling rice at cost price. ठीक है, तो राइस में okay, instead of putting 100% rice, he wants to put 15% impurities of it. Because of this, that 15% will act as a profit for him. Okay, and the last method is increase the price by 10% and reduce the weights by 10%. Okay, increasing the price by 10% but reducing the weight by 10%. इससे उसका profit कितना होगा, right? So firstly, we have to find out the profit of all the four methods. Good thing for us to know is that the first method का profit already बताया गया है, right, which is 25% profit. So we have to find out the profit in these three sections. Okay, and we should find out which will be the maximum profit. Four options are given. Option A 1, that is the first method. 2, second method. C is 2, 3 and 4, that is the second, third and fourth method. And D is profits are same. Profits are same का मतलब चारों का profits same. Okay, so this is the question. Let's solve it. Okay, so let me write down the solution part here. So the case 1, the profit is already given, which is 25% profit. Right, case 2 का profit क्या है? Right, case 2 का profit क्या है? What is case 2 basically? Case 2 is 750 gram of rice we are taking. Okay, so he's taking 750 of weight instead of 1 kg. Okay, so let us assume here, whenever percentage is mentioned we can assume. So let me assume the cost price of 1 kg rice is equal to 1000. Okay, the cost price of 1 kg rice is equal to, sorry, 100 rupees, not 1000 rupees. Percentage is 100. Okay, CP of 1 kg rice is 100 rupees. So what will be the CP of the rice he is using? So instead of 1 kg, the dealer is using 750 gram, right? So here the CP of a 750 gram of rice we have to find out. For 1 kg rice it is 700. So 750 के लिए कितना होगा? It is 100 minus 75 divided by, sorry, so this is the profit percentage. Just a minute, my profit wala ho gaya. First we have to find out the cost price. Just a minute. Okay, yeah, first we will be finding the cost price, right? 750 gram. What is 1 kg? 1 kg is basically 1000 grams, right? 1 kg is basically 1000 grams. तो हमारे पास कितना है अभी weight? हमारे पास 750 grams है, right? So 750 divided by 1000 into 100, right? So thus is the CP, right? That is the CP of 750 gram of rice. 750 gram of rice के लिए 75 rupees है. But what is the person doing here, right? He is giving 750 gram of rice to the people, telling it as 1 kg, right? So उसका profit हो गया. तो कितना profit हो रहा है उसका, right? So the percentage profit here will be equal to 100 minus 75, right? So the basic price is 100, but he's selling it at 75, right? 100 minus 75 divided by 75 into 100, right? 100, which is the selling price, which is actually the cost price of this particle, but he's selling it at 75 rupees because he has lessened the weight here. 100 minus 75 divided by 75 into 100. So this will be equal to 33.33%, right? So the second case का profit है 33.33%. Now let us find out the case. Let us find out the profit for the third and fourth cases. So third case क्या है, right? What is the third case? Right? What is the third case? So we will go back to the question again. The third case is mixing 15% impurities, right? Mixing 15% impurities in the price. Okay, mixing 15% impurities. So 1 kg of rice is basically 1000 grams, right? 1 kg of rice is basically 1000 grams. So if I am mixing 15% impurities, so it will be 1000 plus 1000 into 0.15, right? So this will be 1000 plus 150 grams, which is 1150 grams, right? Which is 1150 grams. तो इधर CP का वैल्यू कितना होगा, right? What is the basic gram here? Or the basic kg? It is 1000 grams, right? Okay. How much I am adding impurities? I am adding 1150 of impurities, right? 1150 grams, right? Into 100, right? 1000 grams, which is basically 1 kg of rice mixture. For that, I am mixing 15% impurities to get profit. So 1000 gram divided by 1150 gram. So please do not get confused here. Okay, वो क्या बता रहा है, right? He is basically for selling 1150 grams of rice, he is using just 1000 grams of rice and 150 grams of impurities. तो बेसिकली उसका दाम जो है वो 1 kg का है, पर वो डीलर को 1150, मतलब वो जो खरीदने आता है राइस को, उसको 1150 ग्राम्स का राइस दे रहा है, राइट? तो 150 ग्राम्स का उसे प्रॉफिट हो गया, राइट? यू गाइस आर अंडरस्टैंड द पॉइंट? 1000 ग्राम इज बेसिकली द राइस. He is selling it as 1.2 kgs or 1.15 kgs. 1.15 kgs में 150 grams का उसे profit हो रहा है. That is the reason we are calculating the CP here. 1000 divided by 1150 into 100, which is nothing but 86.95 rupees, right? 86.95 rupees. So what will be the percentage profit here? The percentage profit is, again do the same thing, 100 minus 86.95 divided by 86.95 into 100, right? So what will be the percentage here? The percentage is 15.008%, or else you can also tell it as approximately 15%. So this is the case 3 percentage. Okay, now I will move on to calculate the case 4 percentage, right? Now I will move on to calculate the case 4 percentage. What is the case 4? In case 4, he is increasing the price by 10%, reducing the weight by 10%, right? Reducing the weight by 10%. So first thing is I will calculate this one, reducing the weight. Then we'll move on to increasing the weight, right? Reducing the weight. So what is the basic weight we are taking? 1000 grams, right? 1000 grams का 10% क्या होता है? 1000 grams का 10% होता है 100 grams, right? So what is the weight he is using here basically? 1000 minus 100, right? The weight he is using here is 900 grams, right? The weight he is using here is 900 grams. So CP of 900 grams you have to find out, right? CP of 900 grams. So here ulta we will be doing, right? So basically हम क्या कर रहे थे? 1000 divided by 1150, right? 1000 kg का राइस है, 15% impurity डाल रहा है, but इधर राइस कितना है? राइस है 900 ग्राम का, right? Instead of 1000 gram of rice, he is giving 900 gram of rice. So this will be 900 divided by 1000 into 100, right? So what will be the CP become? CP is 90 rupees, right? CP is 90 rupees. What they have given here? He increases the price by 10%. We know cost price को हम profit डालेंगे तो वो selling price बन जाएगा, right? तो SP का value क्या होगा? 90 का 10% क्या है? 90 का 10% है 9. So SP will be 90 plus 9, which is 99 rupees. Selling price will be 99 rupees. So percentage profit अभी क्या होगा? Percentage profit is selling price, which is 99 minus 90 divided by again the cost price 90 into 100, right? So what is the percentage I get here? The percentage I get here is 10%. So see all the percentages. Case 4 is 10%, case 3 is 15%, case 2 is 33%, and case 1 is 25%. So case 2 is having the maximum profit here. Case 2 is having the maximum profit here. So option B is the right answer, right? Option B is the right answer. Let us move on to the next question. A dealer offers a cash discount of 25% but still makes a profit of 15%. When he further allows 20 articles to a dozen to a particularly sticky bargainer, how much percent above the cost price various articles listed? So basically, right? तो वो पहले ये बताता है कि the dealer is offering a cash discount of 25%. पहले 25% का डिस्काउंट बता रहा है, पर फिर भी उस 25% के डिस्काउंट में वो 15% का डिस्काउंट बना रहा है, राइट? वो 15% का डिस्काउंट बना रहा है, पर एक स्टिकी बार्गेनर है, वो बोलता है नहीं है नहीं भाई, करो और बार्गेन करो और कम करो और कम करो. तो he further allows 20 articles to a dozen. 20 articles to a dozen. इसका मतलब क्या? What does this mean? It means 20 is to 12. What is one dozen means? What is one dozen means? One dozen is 12 articles. So when the bargainer was continuously bargaining, उसने ये बताया ठीक है, okay fine, for a dozen you take 20, okay, for a dozen basically you can take only 12 articles, but he allowed the bargainer to take 20 articles instead of a dozen articles. Hope you guys understood this. Okay, so how much percent above the cost price were his articles listed? He's giving a 25% discount but still making a profit of 15%. But the bargainer was bargaining too much, so he said instead of 12 articles you can buy 20 articles for the same price, right? 12 articles का जो प्राइस है, एक डजन का आर्टिकल्स का जो प्राइस है, उस प्राइस में ही आप 20 आर्टिकल्स खरीद सकते हो, राइट? सो हाउ मच परसेंट अबाउट द कॉस्ट प्राइस वेयर इज आर्टिकल्स लिस्टेड? 100, 150, 250. Let's solve this question. Okay, so let the cost price be X. So what is the selling price here, right? How much profit is the person making? He's making a profit of 15%, right? So selling price will be 100 plus 15%, right? So this will be 1.15x. 1.15x is the profit here. So before moving on, they have given this word, right? 20 to a dozen. That means, right, instead of 12 articles, that is, he told a person buy 12 articles at the same price of 20, right? Buy 12 articles, buy 20 articles at the same price of 12. Okay, 12 article का जो price है, the 12 articles are having a price of 100. Instead of buying 12, he can buy 20 articles for the same price of 100, right? So what is happening here basically, right? So the price is less and the quantity is more, right? Price is less, quantity is more. This means loss, right? This is a loss to the person or loss to the dealer, क्योंकि वो 20 आर्टिकल्स को 12 आर्टिकल के दाम में दे रहा है. He is giving 20 articles at the price of 12. Okay, so this will be loss. Now let us first calculate the loss percentage, right? How will you calculate the loss percentage? It is 20 minus 12 divided by 20 into 100, right? He is giving out 20 articles at the price of 12. Okay, so 20 minus 12. And how many articles the prices were actually? What is the loss happening? The loss is happening because he is giving 20 articles, right? So 20 minus 12 divided by 20 into 100, which is nothing but 40%. 40% का मतलब क्या है? 100 minus 40, that is 0.6x, right? 40% का loss हो गया. So he is giving the article at 60% value, right? 60% value. So here, what will be my SP become, right? My SP will be selling price into 0.6x, right? Selling price into 0.6x will be my cost price or will be my market price, what I'm giving here at the price of selling it to the customer, right? So I already have one SP here. So this will be SP into 0.6x is equal to 1.15x. So selling price will be 1.15 divided by 0.6, right? Selling price will be 1.15 divided by 0.6, which is nothing but 1.91x, right? Which is nothing but 1.91x. The problem doesn't end here, right? We have just calculated the profit of 15%. We still have to calculate the discount of 25%, right? We still have to calculate the discount of 25%. So 25% discount is actually given on the market price, right? Market price पे 25% का discount बता रहा है, cost price पे नहीं. Okay, whatever is market on that, he is giving 25% discount, right? So here it is 1.91x. So market price पे कितना discount दे रहा है? 25% discount, right? So 100 minus 25, it will be 0.75x, right? 100 minus 25 will be 0.75x. So here the market price will be, what is the selling price? 1.91 divided by the discount he is giving, 0.75, right? 1.91 divided by 0.75, which is equal to 2.54x, right? Which is equal to 2.54x. What was the CP we assumed? We assumed the CP as X, but actually we have got the MP as a 2.54x. इसका मतलब क्या है? Nearly an increase of 154%, right? Nearly an increase of 154%. We assume the cost price as X, the market price is 2.54x. An increase of 154%. Let's move on to the options here. So it is A 100, B 150, 200, 50. So 154 is approximately near to 150. So we will give the answer as B here. The option is B. Chalo, the last question of the class, which is a very easy question. A trader sells two articles, one at a loss of 25% and another at a profit of 45%. But finally, there is no loss or gain. If the total sales price between these two articles is rupees 55,000, find the difference between their cost prices. Okay, एक ट्रेडर जो है दो आर्टिकल्स को सेल कर रहा है, एक आर्टिकल को 25% के लॉस पर और दूसरा आर्टिकल को 45% के प्रॉफिट पर ये करने के बाद भी he is not getting any loss or any gain. That means the loss and profit are equal to each other. Okay, the total sales price of both these articles, that is sales price of both these articles, that is x plus y is equal to 55,000. तो हमें एक एक केक का कॉस्ट प्राइस निकालना है. वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द each individual price or each individual cost price of the articles and find out the difference, that is find out their subtraction. Okay, that is how the question is. Let's move on. Okay, let's move on to the solution. Okay, what they have given, first thing, loss and profit are equal, right? Loss and profit are equal, so I will write this as 25% of x is equal to 45% of y, right? I'll tell it as 25% of x is equal to 45% of y. So this I can write it as 5x is equal to 9y, right? So this is basically ratio and proportion. Okay, 25 is to 45 because both are equal. तो इसको मैं simplify करके 5 is to 9 भी लिख सकता हूँ. Okay, so I can also write this as x divided by y is equal to 5 divided by 9. Yes or no? Right? 5 is to 9 हो जाएगा. Okay, 5x equals 9y. So x divided by y. Y will go this side, 5 will come this side. So x divided by y is equal to 5 divided by 9. Okay, x divided by y is equal to 5. Sorry, I did a small mistake here. So it is a 5x is equal to 9y. So x divided by y will be 9 divided by 5. Okay, 9 divided by 5. Sorry there. Okay, so x divided by 9 is equal to 9 divided by 5. So what is the total ratio here? 9 plus 5 is equal to 14. Right? Total ratio is 9 plus 5 equals 14. We also know one more thing, that x plus y is equal to 55,000. Right, we also know that x plus y is equal to 55,000. Yes or no? Right, x plus y is equal to 55,000, and you can see the loss matra is very less and the profit matra, that is the percentage profit, is more. Okay, so let us find this out. These are the two equations I have got, second one and the first one. Okay, I knew the ratios here, so I can easily find out the value of x. The value of x is 9. Right, the value of x is 9. It was 9 by 5. 9, what is the total ratio? It was 14. 9 divided by 14, what is the total of both of them, x plus y? It is 55,000. Right, 9 divided by 14 into 55,000, so the answer will be 35357.14. Right, 35,357.14. I can approximately write it as 35357. Now let us go to the y. Because it was 9 by 5, so y will be 5. 5 divided by 14 into 55,000. So those people who are getting confused here, you don't have to get confused here. Okay, x by y equals 9 by 5. 9 plus 5 equals 14. So I'm just equating these two parts. 5 by 14 into 55,000. So 5 by 14 into 55,000 will give you the answer 19,642.85, which is approximately equal to 19,643. When you add both of this, that is 35,357 plus 19,643, you will get the answer as 55,000. Right, you will get the answer as 55,000. They have asked us the difference. Difference का मतलब क्या है? Right, difference का मतलब क्या है? X minus y is equal to what? What is x? X is 35,357. What is y? Y is 19,643. When you subtract both of this, you'll get the answer as 15,714 rupees. Right, 15,714 rupees. Go back to the options. It is option A. Right, 15,714 rupees. It is option A. Right, it is option A. This is how you solve this problem. So that is it with the class, guys. I'll meet you all again in the next daily practice problem session, which will be the last part of the profit and loss. Okay, after that we'll further move on to further quantitative aptitude topics or sections. So the next class will be profit and loss part 3. So thank you so much for listening throughout the session, and see you all in the next session, which is the next daily practice problem. Okay, and please do like, share and subscribe our Unacademy Ascend YouTube channel.